To use the e-commerce funnel report in Monster Insights, log into your site, then go to Insights, and then to Reports. Now click the e-commerce tab, and in the drop-down select Funnel. The View Item step shows the initial customer interest at the top of the funnel. The Add to Cart stage indicates your customer's purchase intent. The Purchase step represents successful conversions. Users displays the percentage of users at a stage in the funnel and helps you to identify user engagement and drop-off points. Having a higher completion rate means that there's a smooth transition between stages in your funnel. Abandonments are the users who leave the funnel without completing the action. And abandonment rates is the percentage of users who are exiting at each stage. This helps you identify any friction points. To learn more about reducing your abandonment rates, see the link in our documentation for our guide on how to improve your sales performance.